Mukhang bata ba? May akibat. Hello! Hi! Nice to see you again.
Sorry, tiga mo. Oh, tigas na. Kailangan straight body, smile. Ayaw nga, kailangan.
Told you. So, ako. Video.
Video pala.
The brand of PLDPS presenting Smart. This epic workshop, February 14th. Please welcome Miss Tony Miranda.
Raise up yourself and you all stand up and dance with me. O, di ba? Or course outside, different maps or ways. And everything after pandemic seems to be alright. So ngayon, bakit mo naman sinuot lahat ng panukli mo sa mini-stop? Sa mga tatluhan niyo sa likod na lang, si Bian and Ted. Dalawang partner lang. Pag wala hanap na
Change to your color. Type your reach to your color. Okay, let's skill na paulit-ulit. Frontal lobe, 7. That is in charge. The one that... Burger King and reliable telecom! Sure. Appearance. If we have that in our heart, that we will... Tama ba? Orange yung may... Type in the name of someone. Reach out to the other side. Walk around. Walk around. Oh, you reach out to the other side. Let's meet people from the other stores. Okay, guys, please make also the color blue that we need to signal. Abot pa bukas, okay? Tayo tinuruan before, right? RV ang naapektuhan nun. We're talking about the feet, by the way. And then you can say, okay, or sobrang luwag din. And when you are still standing, let me just... Credibility and reliability is what also affects the total look. Okay? How? Normal like t-shirt and polo like yours, the line should be exact to your shoulders. Mindful with ourselves. Why? Hindi ba with the horse? And attention nila, drink test is pipikit ka muna, then open. You go! Palakpakan niyo naman, galing. So hopefully, okay lang. Ano plan ko kukunin na? Shot. So, what? Other than? Kasi ako lang magkilay. Hindi ako... Yes. Stand on both legs. Especially when you are out there. Minsan kasi may set.
Because right, we have to look right? So
Feel good and talagang yung sarili mo.
Thanks for those comments. So let me just you and they feel at home because of you. So please, and I hope you come from that place when Matthew 5:16 is. Thank you so much everyone
for sharing our
that talk with Miss.
I'd like to thank
Alright.